How to heal a broken marriage using the law of attraction. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So you made a commitment. You made a commitment of love. You made a commitment of perhaps family and partnership, a marriage. And then something happened. It broke up. Sometimes people will say to me, I didn't see it coming, Robert. I had no idea. And then I will ask them, are you sure that you didn't see things about 3-4 months ago, 5 months ago, maybe even a year ago? Well, yes, we did have some fights. We did have some disagreements. We had some money issues, So the bottom line is, high flyers, you really need to understand this. Seldom, it does happen, but seldom do marriages just end like that. They end like that over a period of time. Now, before I go on, I want to remind you that we are so excited that we have mastermanifesting2021.com coming up December 21st on the winter solstice. This is an exceptional experience. And no matter what time zone you are in, it will be available to you for 72 hours. I've had several of my friends and clients tell me that they're going to watch this 3, 4, 5 times because of the empowerment and the attunements that are going to take place. So there's only about 30 some openings left at the time of this recording. Visit mastermanifesting2021.com and get signed up while you still have a chance, okay? If there is a chance, I don't know. Can't promise you. But I do believe this. If you loved once, you can love again, stronger, deeper, with more commitment and more passion the second time around. You see, I believe that you originally attracted the relationship and the marriage through the law of attraction. You may not have known about the law of attraction. You may not have consciously applied the law of attraction, but you attracted it. I also believe that at some level, perhaps on a subconscious level, you attracted the breakup. So, if it's possible for you to attract the marriage, and it's possible for you to attract a breakup, it's also very possible for you to attract a new relationship with the same partner. I call it a new relationship with the same partner because that's what I believe it is. If you bring in the same old beliefs, the same old ideas, you're going to end up with the same old results. Isn't that kind of the definition of insanity? So think about it. A new relationship with your husband, a new relationship with your wife, something beautiful, something exciting, something that motivates you to get up every day and feel that influx of happiness and love in your life. So the first thing, high flyers, I think that you need to do is have a clear picture of what your marriage looks like, but more importantly, what your marriage feels like. What does your marriage feel like now that the two of you are back together? What are the things that you talk about? What are the things that you do? What are your mutual goals, your mutual dreams? What is your life about? So the more clear you can make that picture, listen to me, the more clear you can make that picture, the more certain that you will be sending clarity to the infinite field of potential or the universe and attracting exactly what you desire. Well, high flyers, the second thing is cut out the drama. Come on. Look, I believe in 98% of the situations you can avoid a fight. You can avoid an argument. And you don't have to give in, but you can sidestep the argument and get down to the real core of what the issue is. Oftentimes, all the drama and arguing and fighting and debate, and it's funny, marriages, couples will start to get back together. They'll start dating each other, start spending the time together, and then all of a sudden, they'll start fighting again. It's like it's become a habit. Make a commitment to visualize a relationship absent of this drama. So high flyers, I think it's absolutely essential to heal your new marriage, to conscientiously, I mean, you're thinking about it all the time. You're conscientiously working to maintain higher states of consciousness. When you hear negative thoughts in your own head, you change them to positive thoughts. When you hear thoughts of distrust in your own head, you change them to thoughts of trust. You see, the higher you can raise your vibration and your thought process, and the longer you can keep it there every day, the more certain you are to have the kind of connection and bonding that you desire with your partner. Hey, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching absolutely free. Find out in this program, find out what a miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching program can do for you and your marriage. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Well, high flyers, you need to eliminate the 3 A's out of your life. Number 1, affairs. Okay. If you are the one that's in the affair must end immediately. It must end without meeting. You don't need to meet the person that you've been having an affair with to end it. You simply say, I made a mistake. It's over with. And that's it. You block the phone number. You stop all contact. Simple as that. End it. Like that. Also, the same is true with addictions. Now, look at affairs and addictions. They kind of go hand in hand. They're both addictions to a certain extent. Affairs can be very addictive, but addictions can be addictive too. If you're addicted to alcohol, get some help. Attend an AA meeting or find a group that you can find some help with. Maybe your own physician. Same is true with drugs. Look, nothing destroys a relationship more than addictions. People say, well, Robert, pot is legal now. It's not a problem. I've seen more relationships fall apart because either one or both of them were potheads. The same with alcoholism. One or both of them are alcoholics. So you end affairs, you end addictions, and you end anger. End anger. Look, what is anger? Anger is a statement that you make to yourself that says, I'm hurt. I'm hurting inside, but I don't want to show my vulnerability. So I'm going to show my anger. Why don't you behave the way I'd like you to? I'll show you my anger. So you need to get to the heart of your anger, the heart of your inner pain, and you need perhaps some emotional and energetic clearing. We can help you with that. Once you're clear of all that junk and that energy, you can start to function more freely. You must eliminate affairs. You must eliminate addictions, and you must eliminate anger. I'm not talking about justified anger. I'm talking about unjustified anger. Well, high flyers, number 5 is, if you really want an incredible marriage, stop thinking in terms of lack. Think in terms of abundance. Think in terms of the two of you having so much love, so much prosperity, so much happiness, so much joy and excitement and motivation that nothing stops you, that your life is just flowing like it has never flowed before. Live in a state of constant and growing abundance. You see, abundance isn't stagnant. It's always growing. You can grow in love, you can grow in affection, you can grow in all the areas of your life, parenthood, whatever it is that you're focused on. But give up this lack mentality. And finally, gratitude every day. I'm grateful for my clients. I'm grateful for my business. I'm grateful for my job. I'm grateful for my home. I'm grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for all the things she does for me. I'm grateful for my son. You see, you can't think negative thoughts when you're in a state of gratitude. When you are focusing on all the things. Look at it. If I started right now about and began to talk about all the things that I was grateful for, high flyers, this video would go on for months and months and years and years. You can't run out of things that you're grateful for when you really think about it. Did you have breakfast this morning? I'd be grateful for it. Do you have a car to drive? I'd be grateful for it. You don't have a car to drive? Do you have 2 legs to walk on? I'd be grateful for those. Oh, you don't have 2 legs? Do you have something that you can push with your arms, a wheelchair? I would be grateful for it. See, living in a state of gratitude, especially as it relates to your marriage, makes your marriage filled with so much joy and happiness and abundance and love and prosperity. It makes it a wonderful, safe space for the two of you. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.